How to unlink email from Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's video I will show you how you can unlink your email address from Facebook. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now what you need to do is, in order to unlink your email address from Facebook, you have to go ahead and then open the Facebook app and then tap on the three lines, scroll down to the bottom, go to settings and privacy and go to settings. After you come to settings, go to personal information, and now you want to go to contact information. Now after you come to this page, let's say you want to unlink your email address. As you can see, I have the two email addresses. So if I want to remove, let's say this one right over here, I have to make the another one my primary email address. So in order to unlink in, Facebook needs at least one email address to be set as primary, because Facebook also needs a host. It cannot be hosted without an email address or a phone number, so you have to be wary of that. So in this case, I have my another email address, which is my primary email address and confirmed, and I can actually remove the old one. And if I want to remove this first one, I would have to make the second email my primary email address by tapping on make primary, and then only I can go ahead and remove the first email. So in your case, you could have only one email, by the way, and if you only have one email, in that case you can tap on add email address button. It will ask you to verify the new email address with the code, for which we've already also made a video. It's very simple. Just add a new email address. After you add a new email address, in this case we can remove our secondary email address by selecting it. Because it is not a primary email address, you can see the make primary button, and only if it is not a primary email address will you then be able to go ahead and remove it by tapping on this little remove button over here. So just tap on it, and here it will ask you to confirm with your password, so go ahead and do that respectively. Once you enter your new password, just tap on the option that says remove email over here, and as you do that, you'll have successfully unlinked your email from Facebook. That's all it takes to unlink your email on Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.